Hey Blelloers, welcome back to another challenge video. I'm Sir Timon and this is Nikipedia.
Ciao.
Nice mustache, Nikipedia.
Thank you, I grew it myself.
Today's challenge is the mystery wheel pizza challenge.
What does that mean?
We're gonna make a pizza, but we're not gonna just make a pizza. We're gonna use our spinny wheel here, and then whatever one it lands on, we have to take that ingredient and place it on our tray.
Oh, wait, so if we don't start off with dough, then whatever we choose is gonna be our base for
It
our
could
pizza.
be a sauce-based pizza.
Interesting.
We need to work out who's going to start. Paper, scissors, rock.
Okay.
Pizza.
Pizza. Come on, land on dough.
No.
Land on dough.
Oh, Mr.
Wait,
Dough!
wait.
Capsicum!
Yes, capsicum. Okay, capsicum.
Okay.
Pan on my pizza. This feels really weird doing it without a dough base. Voila. Spin the wheel.
A good solid spin. I guess you've got a base of baking tape.
What's it gonna
That's not bad.
on? Oh.
No. Oh, come on! Come on!
No!
I get dough first! An actual pizza!
That's not fair.
Whoa. Make it squish.
I can't believe you got dough. I really hope I spin dough this time.
No. Remember, you could sweat and you
Oh,
get my
that's
pizza.
true.
Goodness,
It's
no.
gonna be
Oh,
yes! Pizza sauce. Saucy capsicums.
What am I gonna put on this glorious pizza? Spin! Come on, I need sauce.
What'd you get? Capsicum.
Capsicum.
What am I gonna get?
Ooh.
Wait, is it? Oh,
Cheese.
cheese. Right, got
not
some
bad.
cheese.
I'm thinking it needs some cheese. No.
Sweet. Onion.
Phew, it almost landed on the
Oh.
sardines.
You're getting a nice veggie pizza here. I'm just getting
Not
a
too
mess.
bad. Yeah, pretty much. Switch!
Switch.
Oh,
Switch it up.
no. There's your lovely
Alright,
pizza.
got my onion, got my dough. I am ready to eat this pizza.
That's unbelievable.
Enjoy your saucy capsicum cheese.
Oh no! Come back here, pizza. My love, my pizza.
Come on, Switch. I want that dough, please. More pizzas.
You said you
Hey,
did
it's
love
a good
pizza
job.
sauce. We'll wind up. Spin. Ooh, more
Onion.
onion.
Your breath is gonna stink after this. Dough?
No!
This is how they do it, right?
I think so. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Really need some sauce or some cheese would be good. Oh, some sauce,
get?
what I say?
No.
No, no, no.
No, I got sardines. No.
No.
It smells like the ocean.
You might end up swapping it.
How many times do we have to do this?
I think we'll go to a total of 10 ingredients, so
Okay.
4 more for you.
Yeah, I've had 6. You got dough
I
again?
got dough again.
So I've got 4 ingredients left. Give me something good. More capsicum. Not a lot of flavors happening in this pizza.
Oh my gosh, no, no, why? How? Why do we love capsicum so much?
Yes, yes, yes. This is gonna be a really weird pizza.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I have tomato sauce, I have dough, and I have cheese.
And a lot of capsicum. Second layer
Oh
dough.
yeah, this is gonna be good.
Alright.
No, more
Oh!
pizza sauce. Who left? What do I want? What do I
Give
want?
me some
Barbecue
pizza
sauce.
sauce.
Cheese again?
Got 1 ingredient left.
They haven't got pineapple. Does
Yeah.
it belong on a pizza? No pineapple on a pizza.
Gosh, just as we were.
Are you serious? At least it's not my pizza.
These are massive chunks of pineapple.
Hey, come on, I need something good like
Cheese.
Why?
Yes! Got a triple cheese,
I've got
but
cheese.
it's all the same cheese.
Chips. Why don't we do one last bonus spin?
Bonus spin.
Yeah.
There is no way I could make this any worse. So let's try and make it a little tiny bit better. Last bonus spin.
Or you could have some
Dough!
some more dough.
Yes. I'm actually
Oh.
quite pleased with this because
Yeah?
it kind of seals it all together like a butty.
Okay. Last bonus spin. Here we go.
Okay.
Not cheese.
Please be
Not
cheese again.
Anything but cheese.
Quadruple cheese.
I don't want a quadruple cheese. Don't you even think about it. No, don't.
Oh, wait.
No.
Wait.
No.
Wait.
No. 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 It was so
It's a
beautiful.
switch! And it's the last spin! Here you go, Sir Timon. Have your sardini pineapple-y pizza. I get the good pizza.
It's unbelievable.
I may cry through happiness right now. The bonus spin was the best. worst idea.
That was a bad idea. I shouldn't have done that. These pizzas are looking
They look pretty good.
miserable. Pretty miserable. That's mine.
No, this is mine now. You spun a switch. Taste it.
To the ovens! And we are back! Cheers!
That's amazing.
I got a whole mouthful of pineapple right in the middle. That was the Mystery Wheel Pizza Challenge. If you want to try this at home, be ready for some interesting pizzas.
Use different ingredients. Don't put sardines and pineapples in there. You know, if we didn't have the spinning wheel, I think I would have definitely made some different choices on here. I made my own pizza a little bit better.
I think that was a bad idea, using a spinning wheel to decide what we're going to have on our pizza.
Definitely not wise.
In life, we all have to make choices, so we should probably make sure that we make wise choices.
Yeah, next time you make pizza, make your own pizza.
We will see you in the next video.
Bye!
Oh no, that's a bit of sardine.
How's it taste?
Fish pizza. Hello.
You like fish pizza?
It's okay.
Wow. I'll stick to this pizza then.
Can I try some?
No.
Please.
No, it's mine.
Please.
You gave it up with the switch.